Hi guys, my name is Ami, and today I just wanted to let you know about this amazing website called chocolateworld.org. It's a website that sells chocolate, but it's not just a regular chocolate selling website. On this page, you can order chocolate that you create. Yes, you can customize your own chocolate. How exciting, right? Um, like toppings, you can choose different fruits, spice nuts, and even messages. The website is originally from Slovenia, but they ship their chocolate anywhere in the world. How cool is that? Um, I'm telling you, this is the cutest and the most exciting website I've ever seen. So just go check it on chocolateworld.org, and I'm sure you're gonna love it.